Hello, people. Today we are talking about something many women face, but they really don't always understand what is happening. Okay, it is called hormonal imbalance. All right, do not be afraid of the word because a lot of women, when they hear hormonal imbalance, they become scared. No, don't be scared. Now, I'm just going to explain so that you understand what hormonal imbalance is, so that you know how to handle it. Okay, now inside every woman's body, there is a small messenger called hormones, and these messengers help control things like monthly period, mood, sleep, energy, skin, and even weight. Okay, so when these messengers become too much or too small, the body can start misbehaving. And this is what is called hormonal imbalance. All right. So when a woman has hormonal imbalance, she may notice that her period comes too early, too late, or stops for some time. Now, she may feel tired for no reason. She may feel angry, sad, or worried easily. She might get irritated by a lot of things. So, she may even have some changes on her skin. Some may experience pimples. Some notice weight gain even when they are not eating at all. So, all these things can confuse somebody, but it is not something to be afraid of because it's not a spiritual attack though, because some of you, when you start experiencing these changes, when you don't sleep at night, when your body start behaving at time, you feel that it's a spiritual attack. No, it's not a spiritual attack. This is your body telling you that I need help. Your body is asking you for help. Remember that your body has a language that it communicates with you all the time. So you need to learn how to listen to your body. Listen to your body speaks to you so that you know when to do what and how to do it so that your body will come back to a normal self and your hormones will be balanced. All right. So we're going to be looking at how you can handle this situation naturally at home. Now, let's talk about the simple natural ways that can help the body returns to balance. All right. First of all, food is medicine. So, eating natural foods like vegetables, fruits, beans, whole grains, and healthy fats can help calm the hormones. So, when you reduce too much sugar, processed food, fried foods, and soft drinks, your body can rest itself slowly, and then even small changes in food can make a big difference in your overall well-being over time. All right. So second, stress affect hormones more than many people know. All right. So when the mind is always thinking, worrying, or afraid, the hormones begin to scatter. Simple things like deep breathing, resting well, taking short walks, stretching the body, listening to calm music, or sitting quietly for a few minutes each day can help the hormones settle down. So you do not need big exercise. Every gentle movement every day helps to balance your hormones. And then thirdly, the body needs regular activity. When you move your body every day, even if it is just walking around your compound or doing light house choices with energy, with a lot of energy, the hormones works better. So movement helps regulate blood flow well. Then it also helps the mind relax itself. Now it helps the body control weight. All these things help the hormones return to a balance naturally. Now, if you know you cannot carry out these activities by yourself, you will need to visit a doctor so that they will direct you on what to do. Some hormonal imbalance need medication to balance them up, and they'll always tell you that this medication will go easier and faster with some healthy lifestyles or habit. Now, to round it up, hormonal imbalance is not the end of the world. Many women experience it at different stage of life, at different ages. So, what matters is understanding what is happening inside the body and taking small steps to support yourself. So, when you eat better, rest better, and move your body more, your hormones can calm down and the symptoms can reduce. So, with consistency and patience, the body can find its balance again. So, if you're someone who have been suffering from hormonal imbalance, know that it's not a spiritual attack. It is something that happens, and when it happens, make sure you take out the little basic exercises or the little basics that you're supposed to do to make sure your hormones it's balanced. So if you've listened to this point, thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Take care of yourself.